In this video, we will talk about web development, so make sure to watch the full video. Web development is a dynamic and essential field that focuses on creating websites and applications for the internet. As businesses and individuals increasingly rely on digital platforms, understanding the principles and practices of web development has never been more critical. This comprehensive guide will explore various aspects of web development, including front-end and back-end technologies, responsive design, user experience, and the importance of security. Whether you're a beginner looking to enter the field or an experienced developer aiming to stay updated on the latest trends, this guide will provide valuable insights to help you build effective and engaging web solutions that meet users' needs. 1. Introduction to web development. Understanding the basics. Web development encompasses the processes involved in creating websites and web applications, integrating various components to deliver a cohesive user experience. This section will provide an overview of the essential elements of web development, including both front-end and back-end components. We'll explore the roles of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in creating visually appealing and interactive user interfaces. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of web standards, usability, and accessibility, setting the foundation for understanding how different technologies work together to build functional and engaging online experiences. 2. Front-end development. Crafting user experiences. Front-end development is focused on the visual aspects of a website that users interact with directly. This section will delve into the key technologies and frameworks used in front-end development, including HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. We'll discuss popular frameworks and libraries, such as React, Angular, and Vue.js, highlighting their features and benefits. Moreover, we'll emphasize the significance of responsive design and cross-browser compatibility to ensure seamless user experiences across various devices and platforms, ultimately enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. 3. Back-end development. The engine behind web applications. While front-end development shapes user interfaces, back-end development handles the behind-the-scenes functionality that powers web applications. This section will explore the role of server-side programming languages, databases, and APIs in back-end development. We'll discuss popular languages like Python, Ruby, and PHP, and their associated frameworks such as Django and Ruby on Rails. Additionally, we'll cover database management systems like MySQL and MongoDB, explaining how data is stored, retrieved, and manipulated to support front-end functionality. Understanding back-end development is crucial for creating robust, scalable, and secure web applications. 4. Choosing the right technology stack for your project. Selecting the appropriate technology stack is vital for the success of any web development project, as it influences performance, scalability, and maintainability. In this section, we'll outline the different layers of a technology stack, including front-end, back-end, database, and hosting solutions. We'll discuss criteria for choosing the right technologies based on project requirements, team expertise, and budget constraints. By examining popular stacks like the MERN stack, MongoDB, Express.js, React, Node.js, and LAMP stack, Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP, you will be better equipped to make informed decisions that align with your project goals. 5. Responsive design. Ensuring mobile-friendly websites. With the increasing use of mobile devices for browsing, responsive design has become a critical aspect of web development. This section will explain the principles of responsive design, including fluid grids, flexible images, and media queries. We'll discuss the importance of creating layouts that adapt to various screen sizes and resolutions, ensuring a seamless user experience across devices. Additionally, we'll explore frameworks like Bootstrap and Foundation that facilitate responsive design, allowing developers to streamline their workflows while ensuring that websites are accessible and user-friendly for all visitors. 6. The importance of user experience, UX. In web development, user experience, UX, is a fundamental aspect of web development that directly impacts user satisfaction and engagement. This section will cover the principles of UX design, focusing on usability, accessibility, and user-centered design approaches. We'll discuss how to conduct user research, gather feedback, and perform usability testing to understand user needs and preferences. By prioritizing UX in the development process, you can create intuitive interfaces, enhance user satisfaction, and ultimately drive conversions. We'll also examine the role of UX in search engine optimization, SEO, and overall website performance. 7. Web development frameworks. Streamlining your workflow. Web development frameworks play a crucial role in streamlining the development process, providing developers with pre-built components, libraries, and tools to accelerate project timelines. This section will highlight popular front-end and back-end frameworks, such as React, Angular, Vue.js, Express.js, and Django, discussing their features, advantages, and best use cases. We'll explore how these frameworks promote best practices, enhance code maintainability, and improve collaboration among development teams. Understanding the capabilities of various frameworks will help you choose the right tools for your projects and boost overall productivity. 8. Implementing security best practices in web development. Security is a paramount concern in web development, as vulnerabilities can lead to data breaches, loss of user trust, and significant financial repercussions. In this section, we will outline essential security best practices for protecting web applications, including input validation, authentication and authorization measures, and secure data storage techniques. We'll discuss the importance of HTTPS, encryption, and regular security audits in safeguarding sensitive information. By prioritizing security throughout the development process, you can build resilient applications that protect both your users and your organization from potential threats. 9. Testing and debugging. Ensuring quality and performance. Thorough testing and debugging are vital to delivering high-quality web applications that function as intended. This section will cover various testing methodologies, including unit testing, integration testing, and end-to-end testing. We'll explore popular testing frameworks and tools, such as Jest, Selenium, and Mocha, that facilitate the testing process. Additionally, we'll discuss debugging techniques and best practices for identifying and resolving issues in your code. By implementing robust testing and debugging strategies, you can enhance the reliability and performance of your applications, ensuring a seamless user experience. 10. Future trends in web development. What to expect. The web development landscape is constantly evolving, driven by technological advancements and changing user expectations. In this section, we will explore emerging trends in web development, such as the rise of progressive web apps, PWAs, the adoption of serverless architecture, and the increasing importance of artificial intelligence and machine learning. We'll discuss the impact of these trends on development practices, user experiences, and business strategies. By staying informed about the latest developments in the industry, you can position yourself and your projects for success in a rapidly changing digital environment. In conclusion, web development is a multifaceted discipline that plays a pivotal role in shaping our online experiences. By understanding the core components, front-end and back-end development, responsive design, user experience, and security practices, you can create websites and applications that are not only functional but also engaging and secure. As technology continues to evolve, staying updated on emerging trends and best practices is essential for success in this field. Embracing a user-centered approach and leveraging modern frameworks will empower you to build innovative solutions that meet the diverse needs of users, ensuring that your web development projects are both impactful and sustainable in the long term. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.